How to cope with the summer peak load. Evolution of the power rate design. I am Rafael Hertzberg, an independent energy consultant. Where's the catch? In my opinion, it's about the billing format. Let's say that two right next door neighbors consume the same amount of 10 megawatt hours per year. They pay exactly the same power bill, but they most probably have different peak demands, and so they require different capital expenditures as seen from the supply chain, and yet they pay the same power bill. How so? Let's have a look at what happens with commercial and industrial energy users. The capital expenditure as seen by the supply chain, and by that I mean generation, transmission, and distribution, is denominated in real life in terms of dollar per kilowatt per month. Commercial and industrial energy users have a very sustainable billing format. They are charged by kilowatt demand and kilowatt hour consumption. The kilowatt capacity charge pays for the customer's demand. Here goes the very simple proposed solution. Residential sector to pay also for demand. Why? Because then generation, transmission, and distribution will be able to meet the required demand. Demand will be contracted and paid for. There will be obligation from the supply chain to meet it. Today, there is no capacity contract between the home and the supply chain. So it means that the current situation, as seen by the energy users, residential sector, is very fluffy. What is the size of this challenge, and I mean for the American market? The residential sector accounts for, roughly speaking, 20% of the power consumption. Accordingly, 150 gigawatts of capacity should be contracted. The capital expenditure when it comes to generation, transmission, and distribution is about $3 billion per gigawatt capacity. And so we are talking about $450 billion of investments that are required. There are 140 million homes in the US. So it means that the capital expenditure would be around $3,000 per home. The capital expenditure would be charged as $1 per kilowatt per month in the power bill. Thank you very much for watching this video, and here goes my contact information. I am looking forward to hearing from you, and I am more than willing to help you with this idea.